In this session, we are going to learn how to play the first and the last instrumental sections of the piece, as well as learn how to sing along to the verse and the chorus.
Today we're going to warm up on the notes that we need to play Hall of Fame. G, F, E, D and C. Do you think you could try that with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you try. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. We are now going to play the same rhythm on the note F. Listen to me. Now you try. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. We'll try the next rhythm on the note E. Listen to me. Now you try. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. The next note down, D. Now you try. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Now the last note, C. Listen to me. Now you try. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done.
We'll be learning 2 instrumental parts to this song. The first part is marked in red and is on the top. The second part is marked in blue and is on the bottom.
Listen to me sing the rhythm. E, C, E, F, G, D. E, C, E, F, G, D. Now you try singing with me and move your fingers over the keys of your clarinet. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, C, E, F, G, D. E, C, E, F, G, D. It sounds like this. Now you try with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to look at the blue part, the second part. It goes E, F, E, F, E, D. E, F, E, F, E, D. Sing that with me now. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, F, E, F, E, D. E, F, F, E, D. Let's play it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done.
Pause the video here while you continue to practice the note patterns and get really confident at playing them. Now you've had a chance to practice, it's time to perform the instrumental part to Hall of Fame. Choose either the red or the blue line and play along to the backing track. You can rewind the video and try each of the different lines if you want to.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and hope you look forward to session 2 of Hall of Fame next time.